how on earth do we begin to understand what we need to do with the mortgage and with the home? Where do we begin this process?
There's a few things you got to take into account. Is obviously there's equity in the property, or hopefully there's equity in the property. Is it going to be an equal division? Did one put more money in than the others? They're going to get more money out, or so that's part of the equation. And then once that's determined, the equity piece and who's buying who out, or are they just going to sell the property and split it up? Well, let's say hypothetically one's buying the other one out. What are you doing with the mortgage? Are you going to refinance and pay out the spouse from that? Or are you going to try to assume the current loan, with where the rates are right now and, in the low sixes, if they've got a 3% rate, they may want to try to get the mortgage assumed, which is in a lot of cases able to happen. If you're assuming the mortgage, you can't get extra cash out. So do you have the extra funds to buy out the spouse with the remaining equity? So that's where we come in to help walk them through all the ins and outs and say, all right, so maybe you can get this mortgage assumed, but then do you have the money to buy out the spouse? If not, how do you get the money? So there's a lot of ways to work it out.